Do you move goods across Ireland, Northern Ireland and the UK? If so, you need to prepare your business for customs, and you need to prepare now, before Brexit takes place. Here's how your local enterprise office can help.
So the UK's decision to leave the EU means that they're going to leave the customs union and leave the single market. Therefore, Irish businesses who move goods into and out of the UK are now going to have a customs requirement and a responsibility. So they need to understand what that role is going to be and what they need to do to prepare for that decision.
All businesses will be impacted by Brexit. So this workshop is open to all businesses, all sizes, all sectors from all over the country.
We break down just the terminologies, we go through the customs paperwork, we also show companies how to classify their goods and therefore understanding what their potential duty cost will be once the UK leave the EU.
My name is Dr. Thomas Callanan. The company is Infrastruct Asset Management Services Limited. We provide structural testing and investigation services for all types of structures, including multi-storey buildings, multi-storey car parks, industrial buildings, bridges and concrete reservoirs. We decided to do the customs workshop because we deal a lot with our office in the UK, providing services and equipment into the UK on a regular basis. If the UK leaves the customs union, we'll have to understand the practices and the procedures that need to be in place to allow us to continue to move that equipment from the UK to Ireland and vice versa.
A lot of our clients are exposed to Brexit and they look to us for advice, and we're doing this workshop today so that we can provide that advice.
I would strongly recommend this workshop for anybody who imports or exports from the UK. And remember, it's never too early to start planning.
Don't wait until Brexit. Prepare your business for customs now. Visit localenterprise.ie/Brexit and book a customs workshop today.